Coming to you from the state of Maryland. News, weather, traffic, and more. This is YouTube Recording News on YouTube Recording HD with Malcolm Oliver as a news reporter and a weather reporter. Welcome to the YouTube Recording News. So for today, we are going to be talking about the pre-construction work to begin in January to rebuild the collapsed bridge in Baltimore project. Amtrak hits construction milestone for Susquehanna River Bridge Project. And finally, McDonald's launches a new Sonic the Hedgehog Happy Meal. Before we get to that, let's do the weather, traffic, Maryland lottery number updates, and the marketing stocks. It's going to be a cold, freezing forecast right here in the state of Maryland, ladies and gentlemen. So today is going to be 31 degrees Fahrenheit sunny with air quality of 52. That's the yellow stuff. Wind 12 miles per hour. Humidity 36%. Feels like 26 degrees. Visibility 9.9 mile. UV index just 1. Pressure 30.17 inch. And finally, dew point 7 degrees. Notice it's going to be 33 degrees partly sunny, but we're going to stick with 31 degrees sunny. And notice winter storm warning from Sunday 5th at 10 p.m. to Tuesday 7th at 1 a.m. And then tomorrow is going to be snow showers around 27 degrees. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, during the cold weather forecast, this time the winter, here's the rest of the forecast. So Tuesday is going to be 32 degrees, mostly sunny. And then Wednesday will be partly sunny, around 29 degrees. And then Thursday with 27 degrees, that's going to be mostly sunny. And then mostly sunny on Friday will be 29 degrees. And Saturday will be snowing around 31 degrees. So we really want you, ladies and gentlemen, to stay warm as always. And don't catch cold. Here's the look at the latest Maryland lottery number updates. Here's the look at the latest stockings. A Coast Guard notice obtained by the Sun alerts mariners to construction activities in the Patapsco River starting January 7th through the state's estimated completion of the new bridge in October 2028. As crews survey the area, scans the bed of the Patapsco River, and collects soil samples, the Baltimore Banner reported. Demolition will follow in the spring, but the surrounding Fort McHenry channel will remain open throughout the project. Amtrak has completed a key early construction milestone for a Susquehanna River Bridge Project, removing the 10th and final remnant pier from the river. This is one of the severe necessary steps before beginning major construction of 2 new bridges, featuring 4 total tracks that will replace the existing 2-track Susquehanna River Bridge, which originally opened in 1906. Earlier this year, Amtrak's contractor Fay Construction began demolition and removal of 10 level piers, which remain from a nearby 1866 railroad bridge that had its superstructure removed several decades ago. In November, this critical early work package crossed the finish line on schedule and with zero safety incidents or lost time. And finally, on this YouTube recording news, McDonald's has teamed up with Paramount Pictures Sonic the Hedgehog 3 for an epic new Happy Meal to promote the movie. Launched last December 17th. The Happy Meal boasts a hamburger or chicken McNugget, a side of a drink, as well as special Sonic the Hedgehog toy to get fans existing for the film. The new Happy Meal boasts 8 different figurines for customers to collect, including Sonic Blue Roller, Tails Yellow Roller, Knuckles Red Roller, Shadow Red Roller, Shadow Orange Roller, Sonic Yellow Roller, Knuckles White Roller, and Tails Blue Roller. Hope you ladies and gentlemen will have a great day, and thanks so much for stopping by and watching.